Welcome back to another interesting tutorial about WeChat Pay tips and tricks. And in today's video, I will show you how to check your WeChat Pay balance without any stress. Let me show you how. The very first thing you want to do is to go ahead and open up your WeChat app. Having opened up your WeChat app, you have a notification that you receive fund in your account. However, for you to check the balance, what you need to do is to go ahead and click on the icon right here. So click on me right here. Having clicked on me, next thing you want to do is to go ahead and click on pay and services. Then here you go. The next thing you want to do is to go ahead and click on wallet right here. Then you have your wallet balance right here. Go ahead and click on it to open it. Then here you go. You can see it right here. You want me to pay your Chinese supplier, you want me to fund your Alipay account or your WeChat wallet, or you want me to teach you more about China importation business, or you want me to pay your supplier on 1688, Taoba, Pinduoduo, Idlefish, JD.com, or any Chinese e-commerce app or website, or you want me to teach you more about China importation business, consider to contact me on WhatsApp with the number in the description of this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.